This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a clean workspace and laying out the numbered template pieces. First, cut along outer edges carefully with a sharp knife and ruler. Precision here saves time later. Once cut, score every fold line lightly using a blunt tool so the paper bends cleanly without tearing. You should also pre-crease major aerodynamic surfaces, wings, tails, and fuselage seams, so they align when assembled. Make sure to separate tabs and mark matching numbers. This avoids confusion during the next assembly phase. You now join the fuselage halves, applying thin lines of glue to tabs and pressing evenly until set. Hold edges to avoid gaps. Once the main body is stable, assemble and attach the wing panels to the central spar, checking the leading edge alignment and the slight dihedral that gives the model stability. Reinforce internal joints with thin paper strips glued across seams for strength, and make sure control surfaces fold correctly. As you work, remove excess glue and let sections dry fully before moving on. You finish by installing vertical tails and engine intake details, checking symmetry and straightness from multiple angles. Small misalignments change the profile noticeably. Once assembled, touch up visible seams and cut edges with a matching marker for a clean look, and add a tiny weight in the nose if the model tips backward. If joints separate, reapply glue to the tab and clamp briefly. If a fold resists, rescore lightly and refold. Keep testing fit and making small adjustments until the model sits and looks balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.